Now let's look for all the solutions here. So we are given x on 2 exponent minus 3 equals 27. Now before we even start, okay, let's understand that a on b all raised minus n the same as b on a all raised n. So this side will be 2 on x raised to 3. So we have minus 27 equal to 0. Now we are expected to solve for all the solutions. The highest power here is 3, so we need all the 3 solutions here. Okay, now what we are going to do, since this side is cube, is to check if we can express this one as a number to the power of 3, so that we can express this one as the two, okay, the two difference of cubes. Okay, so we know 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and therefore I can say 2 on x all cube, okay, is the same as minus 3 to the power of 3 equals to 0. All right, so from here, a squared, sorry, a cube rather, a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b, a squared plus the product of a and b plus b squared. All right, so let's compare this to the given equation. So my a is 2 on x and my b is 3, so that will be 2 on x minus 3. We have 2 on x squared plus 3 times 2 on x plus 3 squared, that is 9, equals to 0. So from here we can say that 2 on x minus 3 equal to 0, or 2 on x plus squared plus 3 times 2 on x plus 9 equal to 0. So let's solve for the two equations. So this side will give us two equations, that is two answers, and this one will also give us one answer. So let's start with this. 2 on x on minus 3 is same as 2 on x equals to 3. So over 1, okay, that will be 3x equals to 2. Therefore, x is 2 on 3. So that's the first solution, 2 on 3. Now let's look at the second solution. So this side will be this one squared, this one squared, that will be 4 on x squared. We have 4 on x squared. Then this side will be plus 6 on x plus 9. Okay, so let's multiply through by the LCM, that will be x squared. So times x squared, x squared, x squared, that will be 4 plus, so x squared times this side will be x, that will be 6x plus 9x squared equals to x squared times 0, 0. And the same as 9x squared plus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Perfect. So let's look for x here. Now, when you get to this level, you can apply any of the methods of solving quadratic equation. So let's go by the method of computing of squares. Let's make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1. So I will divide through by, so that's that. So this one will cancel. X squared plus, so 3 here 2, 3 here 3, 4 on 9 equal to 0. So we have x squared plus 2 on 3 x. Let's send this one to this side, minus 4 on 9. Okay, so let's take half of the coefficient of x squared, half of 2 on 3 squared, and this one will cancel. That will be 1 over 3 squared. We add this to both sides of the equation. Okay, so that is x squared plus 2 on 3x plus 1 over 3 equals 1 over 3 minus 4 on 9. Okay, so from here, x, then 1 over 3, x plus 1 over 3 or squared equals, so this side will be 1 over 3 squared is 9, 1 over 9, 1 over 9 minus 4 over 9. So x plus 1 over 3 or squared, this side is 9, and then minus 3. Okay, so let's take square root both sides. This side will cancel. X plus 1 over 3 equals to plus or minus. So this one is the same as square root of 3 on 9 times square root of minus 1. And this one is the same as, so this side will be square root of 3 over 3. So I, this side will give us I from complex numbers. And from here, we can say x equals to minus 1 over 3 plus or minus square root of 3. So I have this minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3 all over 3. So we have the complex part. The complex part is here. Alright, so that's that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.